I got paid $150 for selling a one-day covered call option contract as part of my options wheel strategy. Be sure you watch this whole video to find out how I did it. In this video, I'm going to share with you a technique that I use on a regular basis to make money by selling covered call option contracts. And what's slightly unusual about this particular option trade is that I sold this option contract one day before expiration. I opened up my account history, and now we can take a deep look into the transaction where I sold this covered call option contract. So I'm selling a covered call for stock symbol MARA with a $42 strike price and an expiration date of February 12th of 2021. And so from here you can see that I actually submitted my order one day before expiration. So I submitted it on February 11th, 2021, and my order got filled at 7:13 a.m. Pacific time. Now, at the time I sold this covered call contract, it was paying $1.50 per share. So when this option contract got filled, I received $150 deposited immediately into my trading account. So after selling this covered call, one day before expiration date, there are basically two outcomes that can result. So for outcome number one, it's where the market price is greater than the strike price, in which case this option contract will get exercised. And so that means my shares are going to be assigned to the buyer, and in return, I'll receive $4,200 in payment for those shares, plus I'll keep the $150 in premium. Now for outcome number two, this is where the market price finishes below the strike price. In this case, the option contract expires worthless. And so as a result, I'm going to retain ownership of my shares, the shares that I used as collateral for writing this covered call option contract, plus I also keep the $150 in premium that I received. Next, let's jump over to a daily chart and see what happens to stock symbol MARA on the expiration date, February 12th of 2021. Here we can see that the price for stock symbol MARA closed at $38.46, which is definitely below my strike price of $42. And as a result, this option contract expired worthless. I retained ownership of my shares, and I still kept the $150 in premium. Are you interested in finding out more about the stocks that I choose for such trades like this? Well, every Sunday I publish a list of the stocks that I'm watching because my plan is to use these as possible option plays for the upcoming week. If you like the information about my stock picks, then consider joining my Patreon, where I share exclusive videos of my stock picks every week that I'm going to be using for profitable trades. I also include my research notes, stock analysis, and trading strategies for every stock I pick to watch for that week. And of course, all my videos posted on my Patreon are ad-free. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to wish you good luck and lots of success with all of your trades.